Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this social media poster animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First step, select these all layers without this background and shape 8. Then right mouse, precoms, add name animation, click OK. So select this shape 8, go to solo, OK. Let's Ctrl D, again Ctrl D, and again Ctrl D. Let's unsolo, select this animation, move to inside these shapes and go to click toggle switch modes, none and alpha matte shape 9. Then select this shape 10, go to here and select luma inverted matte shape 11 and select this shape 11, press S. We can change scale like this or this. Okay, let's open animation and make a little animations. First step, select this hand 2, parent to this hand 1, select this phone, parent to this hand 2. Let's click toggle switch for close this area and select this hand 1, go to solo and select palm behind icon, move to anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. Let's press R. Okay, nice. So let's make loop keyframe animations for endless time. Let's make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this. And go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard. Change 3. Go to again 10 keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy or F9. Let's press N for select this work area and let's see. Okay, not bad. Then go to first second. Let's select this line 1, go to solo and let's go to select this pen tool. Let's make mask like this. Click selection tool and go to FX presets, search FX stroke. Let's select this stroke from generate folder. Let's select this and use for this line 1 and change paint style, reveal original image and change brush size. Okay, and change int 0 and make int keyframe. Go to here, change int 100 and press U and go to here, make new start keyframe, go to here and change start keyframe 100. Let's press U for see new keyframes and let's see. Okay, select this keyframe, move to here and this move to here. Let's see again. Okay, move to left again. Move to left again and select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, select this last keyframe, move to left. Nice, let's unsolo. Okay, select this line 2 and line 3. Let's move to up here. Okay, and select this line 2. Go to mask tool. Let's make mask like this. Click selection tool and select this line 3. Go to mask, make like this. Click selection tool and select this line 1. Go to FX control, select this stroke, Ctrl C and select this line 2, Ctrl V and line 3, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, then select this line 2, move to right and line 3, move to right. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select these hand keyframes, hold alt click this icon and go to play button, property, loop out duration. For down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to 7 second or 10 second. Right mouse, select work area and close hand keyframe. Nice. Then select this line 1, 2 and 3. Right mouse, pre-comp, add name lines, click OK and open lines composition. Go to here and in this time press N, right mouse, select work area, back to animation composition, select these lines, pair onto this phone. Let's see. Okay, press R, change rotation like this. Let's move to here. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this line composition, right mouse and go to time, select enable time remapping. Then select these 2 keyframes, hold alt, click this icon and go to play button, property, select the loop out duration for loop compositions. Click this empty area for done expression. Let's see. Okay, nice. We have one composite and loop animation. Nice. Let's close settings and select this bubble. Go to anchor point, move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and go to window, open animation composer 3, open starter pack. Open here, select this overshot scale or this. Click in. Let's close window and let's see. Okay, select this and move to right. Let's move to left, this very slowly. Okay, nice. Then select this text layer and let's write this text. And change font size. Okay, click selection tool, go to color, select this icon and select this color. Click selection tool again, move to here, change font size. Okay, and select this text and delete. Let's go to again window, open animation composer 3. And open starter preset, open this text, animate characters, select this or this. Okay, let's click in. Let's see. Okay, and in this time let's back to browse, click out. Let's see. Let's move to right. Okay, this is loop again. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's move to left this and cut this text. Let's press N. Okay, not bad. Let's go to here. Move to left this and this. Okay, nice. Let's Control Z. This is not bad. 6 seconds. Okay. And in this time, let's close text keyframes. Select this bubble and go to animation composer. Go to browse and open this overshot scale. Click out. Let's close animation composer. Move to left and cut layer. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's select this star 1 and press R, hold alt, click this icon for open expression and let's write the expression time Photo 5. Click this MP3 for done expression. Let's see. Okay, this very slowly. Let's change speed 100. Click here. Nice. Select this expression, Ctrl C, and select this start to. Press R. Hold Alt, click this icon, Ctrl V, and click here. Nice. And star 3, press R. Hold Alt, click here, Ctrl V, and click here. Okay, nice. We can see here stars. Then select this star 4, press R. Hold Alt, click this icon, Ctrl V, and click this empty area. Let's select this layer 14. Change name star 5. Press R. Hold Alt, click this icon, Ctrl V for paste expression. Click this empty area and done expression. Let's see. Nice. Let's go to effects presets, search effect glow. Select this glow. Let's use for this star 1. Change glow radius. Okay, select this glow, Ctrl C, select this star 2, 3, 4, 5, and Ctrl V. Nice. And select this shape 1. Let's go to solo. Okay, let's make this shape with shape layers. Go to this shape, select this ellipse tool, hold shift, make one ellipse. Click selection tool and change stroke color like this and change stroke. Go to add, open trim paths, open trim paths 1, change end like this, and let's make end animation, end keyframe animation. Go to 10 keyframe, change like this, and go to here, make new start keyframe, go to here and change like this. Let's press N, let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easies, hold Alt, move to right. Okay, nice. Then for loop animation, again make new end keyframe, go to 10 keyframe or here, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and select this keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad. And select these keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select this 6 second. Again, select these keyframes, Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, nice. This is random shape animation for background object. Let's unhide layer and this unhide. Select this shape 1 and delete. Select this shape 1. Let's move to here. Press S, change scale and change stroke width. Let's move to here. And let's move to back these stars. Okay, let's move to here. Nice. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move to here. This duplicate, go to stroke, select this pink color, click OK and move to here. Let's select this shape 2. Let's search which layer this. Okay, shape 6. Let's delete. Let's see. Okay, select these shapes, shape layer 2, press U, select all these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe asset and time reverse keyframe. Let's see. Okay, and right mouse, go to here, click flip horizontal and move to left. Nice. Let's press S, change scale. Okay, nice. Then select these layers, shape 3. Let's press P, make new patching keyframe. go to 10 keyframe, move to right, go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select keyframe, make ease, and hold Alt, click this icon, go to play button, property and loop out duration for loop animation. Let's see. This is very speedily, select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Okay, nice. Let's select this shape 4. Go to effects presets, search effect wave. Select this wave warp. Let's use for this shape 4. And change pinning all edge. Change wave width. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Select this shape 5. And use wave warp. Change pinning all edge. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And select this shape 7. Okay, this background yellow object. Let's select this shape 2. Press P. Make new patching keyframe. And go to here. Move to down. And go to here. Select keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select keyframes. Make ease. And hold Alt. Click this icon. Play button, property, loop out duration. Click this input area. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to Window, open Animation Composer 3, open Starter Pack and FX 2D layer, and let's use this effects for our text. Okay, let's select our text and go to here. Let's click Apply. Let's see. Okay, this is funny. Let's select this text, go to FX Control, change here. Let's select this, change intensity 10. Okay, good. Close Animation Composer window, go to Phone, let's see. Okay, good. Let's select this shape 11, press S, click this icon and change like this. Okay, let's Ctrl Z, this is not good way, go to Animation and let's select this shape layer. Which layer? Okay, 5, and select this shape layer 7, Ctrl D, and select this shape layer 5, move to inside these layers, go to click toggle switch, change none to alpha matte, and let's move to here, press S, we can change scale. Good, back to phone. Okay, nice. Let's select this shape 11 again, change scale like this. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.